So me and my dad are about to go to the bowling alley. What he doesn't know is I'm about to be his. Hey, if you wouldn't be in this situation.
Made you a slave if it hadn't been black.
It's
so that's not our fault. It's not black.
Oh God.
Oh. The wallet is in here.
Let's see. Respect your right to carry firearms. No mask, no entry. We sell masks. No outside food or drink.
Okay, let's go in.
No drop-off policy. You can't leave me here. I'm sorry. I apologize. So we made it. Mask on, mask on. Okay, safety first. We're about to bowl. I'm about to give y'all a pre-game talk before we get started, and then we'll get, you know, the after-game interviews. You feel what I'm saying? Because I'm about to get these dubs. And that's just that on that. So we'll see how my father feels about it. Pre-game talk. What do you have to say?
So today, it's good to be outside. The pandemic had us restrained, so today we're going to break free.
Right.
We're going to bowl a 300 game in the first round, 350 the second round, and 500 in the third round.
All right.
I go.
Okay. We'll see. We'll see what happens. See y'all. I'm not about to get one just because they're cute. I'm really finna play. Y'all think this is a joke. He said 300. Alright. We're gonna get the 10 ball, you feel me? Alright. Okay. 300 it is. That wasn't bad. That wasn't horrible. I'm scared. It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. Good roll, Ty.
All right.
I'm going to interview you.
We're starting good. We're starting good. Let's see if he gets this, y'all. You gotta split. You gotta split. Ooh. Okay, okay. You can hit that.
This is my first bet.
I need a strike. I wanted that strike so bad.
No, you was on it.
I wanted it so bad.
That's it right there.
Ah!
That's good time. Good time. You got it. You got it.
Yeah.
Look at you. Look at you. Come on. There you go.
Okay. Okay.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Alright, first game.
So you don't have to keep the score.
First game done. First roll, second game. Ooh. I thought you had it too. You always fool. Like, I think you're gonna get a strike and then it doesn't do it. And I don't know why.
That's good, that's good, that's good. You got those. Don't high five, first high five.
Oh.
There you go.
That was good. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad y'all didn't. Ooh, okay, y'all see it. Game 3. That was an okay start. That was an okay start. That was fast though. I threw that way faster. He threw Shasia. Yeah!
I'm not gonna stick to the low floor where it gets it.
You got 3.
That was a random, unexpected strike.
Oh, you got a strike?
I got a strike.
Try, you can get 2 more. Oh, you got it.
Okay.
You haven't picked up a spare 3 in 2 games.
All right. That wasn't bad.
That was actually pretty good.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
Out there.
Huh?
Y'all were rocking it.
Oh, thank
So
you.
good out there throwing that ball.
I'm so glad to be out of that.
Right. Have a good night.
Y'all too.
After game thoughts.
Well, I have to say, it wasn't my A game, but
Okay.
it was a fun outing.
Mm-hmm.
Competition was really good. I have to give all the competition credit for pushing me to the limit.
Woo! Woo!
Drive through only. That's my task.
What?
Hi, thank you for choosing Chick-fil-A in Columbus. My name is Mayeli. May I have the name for the order?
Hi, Mary. This is Edgar.
Okay, how may I serve you today?
We're great. We would like 1 8-count
Meal.
meal and a lemonade, an 8-count meal.
You want another 8-count chicken nugget meal?
I want another 8-count chicken nugget meal. Do I get fries with that meal?
Yes, it comes with fries and a drink, sir.
And I want sugar-free lemonade with mine.
Sugar stay lemonade, okay?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
You called her Mary? I don't even think she said her name was Mary.
She did.
She did? I thought she said something else.
Mary or something like
I
that.
thought she said like Emily or something. I don't know what she said. Look, she
Talk
handled it very well. Whatever her name is.
Okay, Mary.
She was like, all right, well, what's up? Whatever you want to call me today is what I am until I get off work.
Call me Bubba.
Until I get off work, I can be whatever you want.
You know that's what I named my electronic vacuum.
Bubba?
Bubba.
What?
Because you have to give it, you program it to your phone.
So you can name it though.
Well, you're supposed to have a name.
Wow.
Because it calls you. I told you, I was at church one Sunday. My phone rang. And it's from Bubba. You know your name, Bubba? Bubba. So I answered the phone. It says, Bubba is hanging over a cliff and needs some help.
What?
Wait a minute. I said, oh.
How did Bubba get to a cliff?
I go home. In the bathroom, you know, it's stuck between the rug and the overhang, so it called it a cliff.
That's so dramatic. I'm stuck on a cliff. I need you to come get me.
I need some help.
How did the vacuum cleaner get on a cliff? Where's the cliff?
I said, maybe it went up the stairs and I'm trying to come back down.
How did it go up the